The Great Chicago Fire of 1871 stands as one of the most infamous disasters in American history. Beginning on October 8th, it raged for 2 days, leaving a lasting impact on the city. The fire ignited in a barn owned by the O'Leary family on the near west side. Fueled by dry conditions, wooden structures, and strong winds, it rapidly spread, engulfing 3.3 square miles of the city. Approximately 17,500 buildings were destroyed, including homes, businesses, and public structures. The official death toll was estimated at 300, though some believe it could have been higher. Over 100,000 people were left homeless, forced to flee with little more than the clothes on their backs as the fire consumed their neighborhoods. The financial loss was estimated at $200 million, a staggering sum for the time. The destruction of numerous businesses led to significant economic challenges, impacting the city's economy for years to come. Despite the tragedy, the fire catalyzed Chicago's transformation. Stricter building codes and fire-resistant materials were adopted, paving the way for modern skyscrapers and a more resilient urban infrastructure. The Great Chicago Fire left a profound cultural legacy. It is remembered for both the destruction and the resilience of Chicagoans who rebuilt their city. Today, museums, monuments, and educational programs commemorate this pivotal event.